Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We're really happy to have you here with us again. Today, we're still in Thailand, on the peaceful island of Koh Yao Yai. We traveled here from Khao Lak, first to the pier in Phuket, and then by boat across to the island. This is Laem Had Beach, and let's take a closer look around. We're here very early before 7 a.m. to catch the sunrise. The location of this beach makes it perfect for that. Since we're staying on the island, we can simply take a scooter and get here quickly, arriving among the first people of the day. It's very quiet and peaceful here right now. For a moment, we have this beautiful beach entirely to ourselves. Coming early really has its advantages because later in the day, this place becomes quite busy, not only with visitors staying on the island, but also with day trippers from nearby islands and speedboats arriving from Phuket. Lamiad is part of the so-called unseen Thailand, a hidden gem often called the Maldives of Thailand. In 2023, it was ranked among the world's top beaches. Imagine walking a kilometer-long sandbar barefoot, the sea on both sides, palm trees swaying, and not a soul around. That unique tranquility, plus the white sand and crystal clear water, that's why many say it's one of the most beautiful beaches, not just on Koh Yao Yai, but anywhere in Thailand. This narrow sandbank stretches far into the sea, with water on both sides, creating a view that changes with every hour of the day. At low tide, the white sand seems to go on forever, and the island suddenly feels wide open. It's a place that photographers, travelers, and nature lovers quietly place among Thailand's true coastal highlights. Not loud, not built up, just simple, clean beauty shaped by the tide and the light. Time seems to pass very quickly in a place like this. The beach feels almost unreal, so beautiful that you easily lose track of the hours, and despite being considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the area, you won't find any hotels, restaurants, or even small vendors here, like on many popular beaches in Thailand. So if you plan to stay for a while, or even enjoy a small picnic, make sure to bring your own food and water, because once you arrive here, you'll want to stay longer than you expect. Laem Had Beach lies on the northeastern tip of Koh Yao Yai. After about 30 to 45 minutes by boat from Phuket's Bang Rong Pier, you arrive at Chonglard Pier. From there, it's only a few minutes by scooter or taxi to the beach. Since the island is relatively small and we're already staying here, it takes almost no time to reach this peaceful place. At high tide, the water here becomes perfect for swimming. Calm, clear, and deeper than at low tide. The soft white powder sand under your feet and the gentle slope into the sea make it easy to just walk in and enjoy a dip. Around the beach, coconut palms and lush vegetation line the shore. You'll find natural shade when the sun gets too strong. It's nature at its most honest: sea, sand, and palms. Nothing more. Whether you come for a swim or just to relax in the shade, Lamiad offers both calm waters and peaceful corners under the trees. We can't recommend Laem Had Beach enough. Even if you only have time for a day trip from Phuket, this beach is worth it. From its calm, clear waters and soft, white sand to the peaceful, palm-lined shore, it's one of the most beautiful beaches we've ever visited, not just in Thailand, but in overall. Just a few minutes from the beach by scooter, we stopped in the small village center to refresh. There are only a few restaurants here, but the locals' warm hospitality will leave a lasting impression. Prices are very reasonable, especially compared to the popular beaches on the mainland. We definitely recommend visiting one in particular near the pier, Dang Paradise Food. We've been there several times, and the owner is incredibly welcoming, making every visit special. We're enjoying some fresh smoothies and mango sticky rice, huge portions and really delicious. It's the kind of hospitality that makes you want to come back again and again. After some rest back at our accommodation, we returned to this magical place in the evening to see what it's like at sunset. It wasn't just us this time. The beach had filled up quite a bit, and it's easy to see why. The sky was painted with magical, almost unbelievable colors after sunset. Everywhere we looked, the horizon was filled with beautiful shades, and we couldn't take our eyes off it. Moments like this make you stop and simply admire the beauty around you. As the low tide slowly came to an end, the sandbar appeared in all its glory. It was a stunning sight, stretching across the water and simply a joy to behold. Visiting Laem Had Beach, whether in the early morning, during the day, or at sunset, is truly worth it. This beach is simply one of those places you won't forget. And also don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you enjoy our content. It really helps us keep sharing these experiences with you.